Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon ginger paste. 1/2 teaspoon garlic paste. 1/2 cup yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Oil for frying. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 large onion, sliced. 2 green chilies, chopped. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro leaves. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, ginger paste, garlic paste, yogurt, and lemon juice. 2. Add the chicken pieces and mix well, so that the chicken is coated with the mixture. 3. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. 4. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. 4. When the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. 5. Add the sliced onions and green chilies and fry until the onions are golden brown. 6. Remove the onions and green chilies with a slotted spoon and set aside. 7. In the same oil, add the marinated chicken pieces and fry until they are golden brown and cook through, about 5 to 7 minutes. 8. Add the fried onions and green chilies back to the pan and mix well. 9. Sprinkle chopped cilantro leaves on top. 10. Serve hot with rice or Indian bread. 10. Enjoy!